Now, in this video, we're going to answer the following question. When 2x cubed minus 3x squared minus 2x plus a is divided by x minus 1, the remainder is minus 4. Find the value of a. If you find this video helpful, please consider leaving a like, a comment, and subscribing to our channel for more content like this. The remainder theorem states that when a polynomial f of x is divided by x minus a, the remainder is equal to f of a. In other words, if you divide a polynomial f of x by x minus a, the remainder you get is the same as the value of the polynomial when you substitute a for x. In this question, we've been given the function f of x, the binomial we are dividing that function by, and the remainder. And we've been asked to find the numerical term of the cubic function f of x. Answering this question is a 3-step process. First, we need to substitute 1 into the cubic function. Then equate that to the remainder before solving that equation to find the value of a, the missing term in the cubic function that we've been given. So the question tells us that f of x is equal to 2x cubed minus 3x squared minus 2x plus a. And dividing by x minus 1 gives us a remainder equal to minus 4. If we divide by x minus 1, then substituting 1 for x into f of x, we get the remainder minus 4. So f of 1 is equal to minus 4. F of 1 is also equal to 2 multiplied by 1 cubed minus 3 multiplied by 1 squared minus 2 multiplied by 1 plus a, which simplifies to give us 2 minus 3 minus 2 plus a, which we can simplify further to get a minus 3. Now we can equate a minus 3 with minus 4 to give us an equation which we can solve for a. And if a minus 3 is equal to minus 4, adding 3 to both sides gives us a minus 3 plus 3 equal to minus 4 plus 3. So a is equal to minus 1. So the value of a and the answer to this question is minus 1. If you found this video useful, please consider leaving a like, a comment, and subscribing to our channel. Thank you.